Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to the online classes provided by Delhi Public School, Dhaka. Today, we are going to learn affix. As you know, affix is the part of word which is added before or after few words and changes the form and meaning of the words. So, whenever the affix are added with few words, the meaning and the form of the word are changed. So it is clear from this definition that there are two types of affix, suffix and prefix. Let's see what is suffix. Suffix are the words which are added at the end of the words and changes the meaning and the form of the words. For example, you can see here cow plus s. It becomes cows. So whenever s is added with cow, it becomes cows. It becomes singular to plural. Box plus es, boxes. It becomes plural. So whenever suffix is added with few words, it changes its form. For example, you can see here another example, eat plus ing here, it becomes eating. It is changing its form. Dark plus ness, darkness. Care plus less, careless. Egg plus ion, arrive plus all. So, in all the cases, you can see here the form of the words. Here, egg plus ion, it becomes action. It means it becomes noun from verb. So in all the cases the form of the words are changing here. Now let's see what is prefix. Same way, prefix are the words which are added before the words and changes the meaning of the word and the form as well. You can see here example, un plus kind, unkind. Dis plus clause, disclose. You know the meaning of kind and also you know the meaning of unkind. So the meaning is changing here. Kind becomes unkind, clause becomes disclose due to the prefix. Re plus call, recall. Pre plus caution, precaution. In plus direct, it becomes indirect. Miss plus take, mistake. X plus minister, it becomes ex minister. So it is clear that whenever few words are added with some words, then the meaning of the words are changed. Now see subject and predicate. What is subject? As you generally see, the most sentences have subject and their own predicate. So let's see what is subject. The word or words denoting the person or thing about which something is said are called subject of the sentence. For example, a sheep went out to sea. It means we are talking about a sheep. Something is saying about a sheep. Fire burns. Clearly we are talking about fire. So fire and a sheep are subject here, because we are talking about a sheep and fire. Now let's see what is predicate. The word or words which say something about the person or thing denoted by the subject are called predicate. For example, he eats a mango. He eats a mango. So something is saying about he. What is saying? That he eats a mango. So eats a mango is predicate. It means the verb part is called predicate in the sentence. And as you know, the subject is doer of the sentence. The earth moves around the sun. Clearly we are talking about the earth, so earth is subject here. And the verb part, the earth moves around the sun. So what is saying about the earth? The earth moves around the sun. So the verb parts are called predicate. Now see some other examples where we may find some difficult to find the subject and predicate. In some sentences we may confuse about the subject and predicate. For example, thank you. Here what is the subject here? So who thank you? So you may think I thank you. So I becomes subject here. Come here. Come here. Who come here? So you may consider you is subject here. In case of imperative sentence, in case of, now see, in case of exclamative sentences, shocking, you may consider the subject here. What will be the subject here? You may consider it. So it is subject here. Well done. You may consider that here. That, so that becomes subject here. So the sentences, there are two parts of sentence, subject and predicate. Doer, as you know, doer is the subject, and about which we are saying is called subject. And what we are talking about, that subject is called predicate. So it is clear, the subject and predicate here, and details we will discuss in the next video. But remember, stay safe at home and follow social distancing. That's all. Thank you.